Hello viewers, this is Shilo Mishra. Welcome to our channel St. Javius School, Hardoi. Today I will be teaching you English literature, topic Pinocchio. But before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Like and share the video. Thank you. Start our chapter 6, Pinocchio. What was the name of the chapter? Pinocchio. Who is Pinocchio? Let's know from this story. Dear students, do you think that non-living things can come to life? No, but in this story it is like this. A non-living thing comes in life. Let's see from this story Pinocchio. See, once there was an old man who was an old man and his name was Geppetto. What was his name? His name was Geppetto. As you are seeing in this picture, this old man, he is Geppetto. He was poor and he lived alone in a small town near the sea. Geppetto was a carpenter. Who was he? He was a carpenter. Carpenter is a person who makes things out of wood. Like this, Geppetto made things out of wood. One day, Geppetto made a boy out of wood. He made a wooden puppet. What he made? He made a wooden puppet. And he gave him a name, Pinocchio. What was the name of the wooden puppet? Pinocchio. And Geppetto was very happy to make Pinocchio and he made him like his son. Okay, Pinocchio was now like his son. After making Pinocchio, he put him down on the floor and Geppetto was very much surprised and he was happy also. Why do you know, children? No, Pinocchio could talk and felt full of life. Means that wooden puppet whose name was Pinocchio, that wooden puppet could talk and felt full of life. Pinocchio also was very happy and he wanted to dance. In excitement of happiness, Pinocchio ran out of the house. And Geppetto, as Geppetto loved him like his son, so he ran after him. And small Pinocchio did not listen Geppetto, and he ran faster and faster. As Geppetto was old, so he could not catch him, and suddenly he could not even see him. Pinocchio went far from Geppetto, and suddenly what happened, do you know? Pinocchio saw a cricket. Cricket means a green color small insect, as you are seeing in this picture. This a green color in small insect. It was Pinoccio's friend. It said, Pinocchio, you should go back home to your father. What the cricket said? You should go back to your father. But Pinocchio said he wanted to explore. Explore means visit the place to get more knowledge. He wanted to visit the place to get more knowledge about the place. However, Pinocchio soon grew tired and hungry. Now, as he ran so fast, so he grew tired and hungry now. Now he wanted food. He saw a man in a house, as you are seeing. As that man saw Pinocchio, he asked, what do you want? Pinocchio said he wanted some food. What he said? He wanted some food. The man went inside and came with a bucket full of water and poured all water over Pinocchio and said angrily, "Go away, otherwise I will throw bucket on you." Small Pinocchio began to cry. He was wet and cold and hungry and alone. Pinocchio went back to Geppetto's room and fell asleep. His wooden feet got burnt. Means his wooden, as he was a wooden puppet, so he sat near the fire and his wooden feet got burnt. Geppetto saw his dear son and gave him all the food he had, 3 hard green pears. What he had? He had 3 hard green pears and all he gave to Pinocchio. Pinocchio was very hungry, so he ate all. He said, "Sorry, Dad, I was a bad boy. Make my feet new, Dad. Give me something to eat more, Dad. From now, I am going to be a good boy, Dad. I am very sorry, Dad." From that day onward, dear children, Pinocchio became an obedient boy and lived with Geppetto happily. So, dear children, story ends. So, dear children, what we learned from this story? We learned that our parents love and care for us. So, we should always obey them. Okay? I hope you all are obedient children, right? I know you are very good. Now, we do some activity to know how much you have learned from this chapter. Let's start activity. Write T for true and F for false. First, read the number 1 statement. Geppetto was a poor man who lived with his family in the mountains. Is it right or not? Tell me, is it true or false? Very good. Number 2. Geppetto was a plumber. Is it true or false? Very good. Geppetto was a carpenter. Geppetto loved the little puppet, so he ran after him. Yes. Very good. Number 4. Geppetto caught the little puppet and brought him back to his home. False. Good. Number 5. Pinocchio met a rude man who poured a bucket of water on him. Very good. It is true. Number 6. Pinocchio ran away from Geppetto and never came back. Good. Very good. These are difficult words and these words I am giving you for HW. You learn these words and write 2 times more. See, number 1, puppet. What is the spelling? Puppet. Number 2, carpenter. 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 Number 3, hungry. Hungry. Number 4, throw. Throw. And number 5, bucket. Bucket. You learn them and write 2 times more. Okay.